If you acknowledge the suffering of samsara, you will recognize that the source of suffering lies in your obscuring emotions and the negative actions they engender, and that the source of your obscuring emotions lies in your clinging to the idea of self. If you can rid yourself of that clinging, suffering will cease. Liberation means freeing yourself from the ties of your emotions and negative actions. The way to free yourself from them is to practice the Dharma to train in discipline, in concentration, and in prajna. The wisdom that allows you to realize the non-existence of the individual self and phenomena. Discipline is the basis of concentration. Concentration is the basis of wisdom. If you practice the Dharma properly, the results of countless lifetimes and kalpas of negative actions can be purified.